Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, you'll learn conversational phrases to use when talking on the phone. After watching this video, you'll be able to ask for someone on the phone and to put someone on hold. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Making a Phone Call PDF cheat sheet for free. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
שלום, אפשר לדבר עם האחראי?
כן, רק רגע.
Once more with the English translation.
שלום, אפשר לדבר עם האחראי?
Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
כן, רק רגע.
Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's
שלום, שלום,
Then you'll need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is
אפשר לדבר עם
person. This Hebrew sentence literally translates as, Can I speak with person? But it means, I'd like to speak with person. For example, hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
שלום, אפשר לדבר עם האחראי? שלום, אפשר לדבר עם האחראי?
Now, how do you answer this question?
כן, רק רגע.
Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again.
כן, רק רגע. כן, רק רגע.
This Hebrew sentence literally translates as, Yes, just a moment, but it means, Okay, just a moment. Here are a few more phrases you can use with the same pattern to talk on the phone. The person in charge.
האחראי. האחראי.
A sales representative.
סוכן מכירות. סוכן מכירות.
The manager.
מנהל. מנהל.
Customer service.
שירות לקוחות. שירות לקוחות.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
אפשר לדבר עם סוכן מכירות?
כן, רק רגע.
אפשר לדבר עם המנהל?
כן, רק רגע.
אפשר לדבר עם שירות הלקוחות?
כן, רק רגע.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, I'd like to speak with person?
אפשר לדבר עם
Person. And how do you answer it?
כן, רק רגע.
Imagine you want to talk to a sales representative. Do you remember how to say, a sales representative?
סוכן מכירות. סוכן מכירות.
Say, I'd like to speak with a sales representative.
אפשר לדבר עם סוכן מכירות?
Now say you want to talk to a sales representative and answer it.
אפשר לדבר עם סוכן מכירות?
כן, רק רגע.
Now, imagine you want to talk to the manager. Do you remember how to say, the manager?
מנהל, מנהל,
Say, I'd like to speak with the manager.
אפשר לדבר עם המנהל?
Now say you want to talk to the manager and answer it.
אפשר לדבר עם המנהל?
כן, רק רגע.
Now imagine you want to talk to customer service. Do you remember how to say customer service?
שירות לקוחות, שירות לקוחות,
Say, I'd like to speak with customer service.
אפשר לדבר עם שירות הלקוחות?
Now say you want to talk to customer service and answer it.
אפשר לדבר עם שירות הלקוחות?
כן, רק רגע.
In this lesson, you learned new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk on the phone. You're now able to answer the phone like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell us and your fellow learners whom you'd like to call. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye!